In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Auto Pitchfork quick and easy. We'll be doing this directly inside your TradingView chart, and I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along in real time, even if you're completely new to the platform or to Pitchfork tools in general. First, make sure you have your chart open in TradingView. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is loaded, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar, above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up a panel where you can access all of TradingView's built-in tools, community scripts, and technical overlays. When the Indicators window appears, you'll see several tabs or categories. Here, you want to navigate to the section labeled Technicals. This area is where TradingView groups many of its main technical tools and studies. Click on Technicals so that the list refreshes and shows you the technical indicators available. Within this Technicals section, scroll or look through the list until you find Auto Pitchfork. Depending on your layout and your theme, it might be arranged alphabetically or grouped with similar tools, so take a moment to scan carefully. Once you see Auto Pitchfork, simply click on it. As soon as you select it, TradingView will automatically apply the Auto Pitchfork tool to your current chart. You should now see the pitchfork structure overlaid on your price action. The key advantage of the Auto Pitchfork tool is that it saves you time by automatically detecting swing points and drawing the pitchfork for you, instead of requiring you to manually select each anchor. From here, you can hover over the indicator name on your chart to access its settings if you want to tweak colors, line style, or visibility on different timeframes. It's a good idea to experiment with these settings so the pitchfork stands out clearly against your candles and is easy to read at a glance. If you're planning to use tools like Auto Pitchfork regularly, you might find that upgrading your TradingView plan gives you more indicators per chart, more alerts, and extra quality of life features. I have an affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description of this video. If you decide to upgrade using that link, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and you get access to a more powerful version of the platform. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added Auto Pitchfork to your TradingView chart, and you're ready to start integrating it into your analysis.